Yeah, well, I just haven't figured out, like, I haven't done an overnight or anything. Right now I have like the bike cover if it rains, I have my rain gear, I got the pants, you know, I have chain oil, and I have a few tools, but the bag is not fully kitted out for tools. Just building my collection, and basically I want to ride with other people who be like, you should get this, or you should have that, or, you know, I watch the videos too, but it's not the same. It's nice to go with people who kind of learned by experience and willing to share it. Yeah, that's what we need. Well, maybe you'll learn some stuff down at that event you're going to. That would suck. Yeah, well, right? Alright, you've convinced me. I should wear the pants next time. Just if not just for the thorns and stuff on the sides. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I have these big ass boots, but the problem is can you operate the brake and the clutch with them, you know? But I have combat boots too. They might be good with the leather uppers, but still, I mean, some of them have the big shin guards built into them. They go right up to the knee. Yeah. Oh, into the woods. Well, thank you for the best birthday gift. This is my birthday, so yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. This is perfect. You came out of the universe, said, Mitch, you're gonna get a ride for your birthday. Here's Gary. I'm telling you, if truth be told, it's not many mornings I'm up before 7, let alone out doing something. I'm lucky to roll out at 9, but I'm semi-retired, you know, and I have a guest house, so checkout's not till 11, so 11 to 3 gets busy, getting everything ready for the turnovers. And I do some political stuff on the side, but that's, you know, specific times. Whoa! Stalled it. I'm back. I'm just too high of a gear in that little ditch. Yeah. Have you been on this one? Oh, a lot of rocks. It's like driving on marbles. Nice bridge. A lot of clutch work here. Oh God, yeah. Kind of putting the knees, gripping the tank, and oh, no way. Well, just try to be light in the seat. Put a little bit more weight on the balls. Not those balls. Balls my feet. So does this end up somewhere, or are we just... Oh. Yeah, plus if you hit it with some speed too, actually, you're probably better off than going slow. Oh, yeah. All right, my shocks work. Oh, I'm gonna let you go first though, in case you don't make it. Looks like you're up. Yeah, up. Yeah, maybe we'll turn the wife around before the bridge if we bring her. Yeah, I think I'd want a bigger group if I brought my wife out here, like maybe 3 or 4 people, just in case something happened. Because, you know, you need one person to stay with the person, a couple people to go get help or something if needed, or... Oh, Jesus. I just don't want to lose it on a route either. Yeah. Another bridge. Well, the other thing is I'm glad I got the handguards, because it'd be suck to hit something and have it hit your clutch or your brake. Well, I mean, I put all the gear on it for a reason, so. And plus, we're not being really aggressive on this trail either. This is nice. Yeah, maybe jump a deer or something, because they don't think you're going to be coming. Yeah, no, exactly. Nothing that's gotten my hackles up yet. Like, oh shit, what I get myself into? Who is this lunatic I'm riding with? Whoa, I saw that. Oh, what are we behind? There's some, what is this, a dairy? Oh, that's Poland Spring. Stop ahead. Well, I think we survived our first pair off-road experience. Don't speak too soon, right? Yeah. Yeah, no, I like that. I'll have to mark where we were to come back. Yeah, it was California something. I saw that sign. Oh, does Poland Spring sponsor this trail? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's fine. I just don't want to hit a branch that's gonna turn me sideways. Oh yes, it's tricky. He says it right as I'm doing it. Sliding around. Yeah. The only problem too is I don't know if yours is, but mine's an air-cooled bike, so driving slow like that and aggressive for so long.